Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sawar Mahdi. Today we are going to learn another math, okay? So, first of all, I want to say about that this is a very interesting math, and also this is a little equation or algebra, this type of math. I think you all will enjoy this very much. So, let's start. First of all, look at the board. I wrote here a problem. The problem is 5 to the power p plus 13 to the power p equals to n. Okay? If p is an odd prime number, what will be the remainder when dividing n by 3? So, according to the question, we understood we have to, this is, p is an odd prime number, okay? And I have to divide n by 3. So this is like that. I am making it clear. P will be what will we take? P as a odd prime number. So if you want to think about this, okay, let's take a random odd prime number. Like what are the first two odd prime number? Those are 3 and 5. Okay, so let's take here. I'm taking here the values of p is 5. Okay, right now I'm taking it. But if you can take like this, that here one value, here one value, actually here you can take it different values of p, because where you can see p is just 1. So let's take 3, okay, as a power of p. So you know that first of all we write 5 to the power 3, or you can say in this way. First of all, we know that our 5 to the power p, I'm writing the equation actually. 5 to the power p equals to 13 to the power p equals to n. So here we can see we can take the as a smallest odd prime number is 3, so we can take it 3. So and then we can write 5 to the power 3 plus 13 to the power 3 equals to n. But now you can find the value of this, so you can understand what is the value of n. So can you calculate it? So the result of it will be 2322, and this is the actual value of n, because you can test it with any types of thing. And then this is the value of n, and we have to divide it with 3. Okay, we have to divide the value of n with 3, and then we'll find what will the remainder. So if you divide with 3, so first of all we will check is it divisible by 3 or not. So we can see here the summation is 6 and 3 is 9. Oh wait, the summation of these digits are 9, so the whole number is divisible by 3. So if you divide it, so you will get the remainder. I'm writing here remainder equals to 0, because this is divisible by 3. Okay, so the remainder is 0, and this is our final answer. Okay, so you might be saying now, so how I understood that this is the 3. The 3 is the actual value. If I take another odd number, you can say that p is an odd prime number. So I'm not sure about that. What is actually, which prime number actually can be this? But I will say you can take any types of prime number like 3, 5, 7, 13, 11, anything you can take as a value of p, but you will get a result for n, and then you will get the remainder is 0 for every odd value of p. You can verify, you can test, and if I am not right, for if is there any value of p which is not actually obeying or following this condition, so you can write me, or you can tell me in the comment box, of course. So that's all for today, and we got, this is our answer. Okay, so our answer is 0, so that means this is divisible, so the remainder is 0. So I think you all enjoyed this very much, and if you have any more question, and if you can't understand anywhere, so of course tell me in the comment box, I will explain you more clearly. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.